Well, good afternoon, everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel, and welcome back to part 2 of my front end LED conversion. The previous video showed changing the halogen lights on the front of my Tacoma to LEDs with a conversion kit that I got from Headlight Revolution. We're going to do part 2 today, where I'm going to convert the fog lights to LEDs with the same kit that I got from Headlight Revolution. And just to recap, this is a Supernova V4. It is a plug and play. Love that. It's an LED conversion for headlights and fog lights. And again, they are H11/H9. And let me see if I can't get this open for you. I'll show you what it comes with. Same as the other kit. You have a little kind of instruction booklet. And then you have the LED bulbs themselves, and then the drivers that plug into your factory wiring harness. Again, this is plug and play, very simple to do, and shouldn't take more than probably 10-15 minutes. So let's get started. Okay, there are a couple of ways that you can install this. One, I think, much more difficult than need be, and that is removing 3 bolts over here on the liner, pulling the liner out to gain access to the fog light bulbs inside. I noticed that you actually can reach down in the gaps here, both here and on the other side, and reach those bulbs. Over here on the passenger side, which is where I think it's a bit more difficult to get, hopefully you can see down there, and I'm going to try to sit the camera down in here so you guys can watch. But you can reach your hand right down through here and access the back of that bulb. So I don't see any reason to do anything with the headliner. So like I said, I'm going to sit the camera down here and hopefully you guys will be able to see okay. And we're going to change this without taking anything off of the wheel well of the truck. Okay, here we go. Hopefully you guys can see. It looks like you have a pretty good shot down there. And this is going to actually help me because I'm watching this on my cell phone. So I'm going to be able to see as I go down in there with my hand. So let's go ahead and get started. And just so you know, it turns as you're looking at it, looks like clockwise. Go ahead and get the bulb, get it out, and I can get it up here pretty far, but I am going to need to get my other hand down in there. Reach through right there, it looks like. So, we do need to pull the plug off. I'm going to go ahead and reposition you guys so you can see that. Okay, we've got the bulb out of the socket, so now we just need to take this bulb out and put the new one in. So we're going to do that now. There's the old bulb out, you guys can see. Let's go ahead and grab the new bulb. Actually, not the bulb, but the driver, and that'll give us a bunch more room to be able to work here, so I'll be happy for that. There, we've got the new driver in, so now we just need to connect the bulb, which we'll do here. That's pretty simple to do. Be careful doing this, of course. Don't want to damage the bulb. Let's get this through here a little bit so we have a little more room to work. And we'll go ahead and connect this up. Let's see. Hopefully you guys can see that. I know it's a bad angle. Just like so, and then tighten down the little sleeve here to keep everything together and a little more watertight. bulb connected, and we need to go ahead and reinstall. Alright, you guys can see right there we have the bulb back in, and it was just a matter of lining up the slot and twisting it. Very, very simple to do. So that's done. Now all I have to do is zip tie either zip tie or double-sided tape, which I think is what I'll probably do, the driver that's laying down below there, and then we'll be done with the passenger side. Okay, we are finished with the passenger side. Hopefully you guys can see right here is the connection from the factory wiring harness to the new LED lights. I have zip tied that in place. To hold that, if I ever need to get to it, I just cut the zip tie and remove it. Here, right here, I double side taped the driver so that it's up here out of the way, and everything is golden. A nice, easy, clean install, I think. So now we're going to go over and do the, what I call, I think, is the easier side, the driver's side, and we'll show you that. Okay, got you guys set up on the driver's side now. We're going to reach through and remove the driver's side bulb. Should be very similar to the other side. Just like so. Okay, we've got the bulb out here, as you can see. Hopefully it's all in one piece. I see it is. So now I'm going to get the factory harness ready, and or the replacement, or the driver harness, I should say, ready. And then we're going to plug that in and move forward. All right, let's go ahead, excuse me, and get the bulb out of there and get the harness plugged in. You guys probably won't be able to see this because I'm going to do it up here above the cam, but what you do is just push this down once again and then just pull the bulb straight out. So it should be pretty easy. Alright, excuse me, we've got the bulb plugged in, and the larger tab, if you guys can see at the bottom, which matches up with, I believe, the bottom on the housing as well. So we're going to see about that. Let's get it plugged in. See if indeed I do have that right. Not sure if I do. Appears I did not, but it is right now. So that's it. It's plugged in, it's ready to go. I'm going to go turn the light on just to make sure everything is copacetic. So let me do that. Alright, the light works. Success. Now all we have to do is pull the double-sided tape off of the driver and stick it to the side of the frame on the truck, or the body of the truck, and then this install will be done. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, we are done. Let me go ahead and show you the finished product on the driver's side for the fog lights. And what I've done, of course, is put the bulbs in, and I went ahead and you guys can see right here is right there is the driver, and it's just double side taped to the frame or the body of the truck, and then over here, right there, is a zip tie, just kind of holding the wire here for the new lighting steady so it doesn't bounce around. So that's it. The mod is done. I will tell you, after doing the fog lights this way as opposed to taking off the fender wells or at least loosening them, there's no way I would do that. This is very simple to do, just a little bit of patience. You do have to feed things through a little bit, but much easier than taking off the fender wells, I think, although that would give you more access, but this is the way I would do it. Anyway, excellent mod. I would highly recommend this. This product is plug and play. You don't have to cut anything or wire anything. You just plug it in. I love it. As usual, appreciate you guys watching. I'll leave a link down below to Headlight Revolution's website, as well as the part number on these. Excellent. Can't say enough good things about it. As usual, appreciate you guys watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Click that subscribe button if you haven't before. And we'll see you next time on the web. Have a good day. Bye.